Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete some of your saved passwords on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down and click on the passwords. Once you are here, you are going to be asked for your passcode or the Face ID. In my case, this is a passcode, and then you are going to find your saved passwords to every website or application, as you can see. So if you want to delete some of them, just click edit, select the one that you would like to delete, for example this one, and then click delete. So this password will be moved to recently deleted. After 30 days it will be permanently deleted, as you can see. But once you click delete password, you are no longer going to be able to use it. You can recover it from recently deleted, but after pressing delete password, it won't autofill those passwords. So click delete, and this is it. This is how you can delete your password from your iPhone. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.